So we will continue our topic. So as we are talking about the causes of the Second World War, now the next cause is fear from socialism and Russia. So this has also become one of the cause of the World War. Those countries, especially the victorious countries, those countries was fearing from the Russia and the communism. Because as I said before, in the communism, what happened? All the money we generate, which come through the business or through the hospital or through the any organization, school, colleges, all this money will go to the country. Government will collect all the money. Later they will give in the form of salary equal amount of equally to the people. So in this way what happened, all the people of the country are equal because they are getting the salaries from the government. So no rich no poor will be there in the country. So by seeing this victorious countries, they find threat among them. They are thinking that if this kind of politics will take place in our country, then it is a big loss for those people who are very rich, and some people are they keep the black money. I'm not saying all the rich people are bad. We are having a good people in India, rich people. They give money to the poor people. I know about them. So little bit what I can say according to me. All the rich people are not bad. So rich people are very good. But here it is saying that those countries at that time, what those countries was thinking that if all the countries adopted the same kind of government, socialism and communism, then what happened? They cannot keep the money. All the money will go to the government, and all the it will be distributed among the people. So those countries find threat at that time. It is dangerous for them. So they just want to let the Germany and Italy to grow up in the destructive mode and with fascism and Nazism, and later they want to turn against the Russia. They want to put on Russia these human bombs. But unfortunately, what happened? The backfire took place, and it was the loss of the world. They have to face the Second World War. So this one happened, and after that we will talk about the Second World War reasons. So just give me a second. Just give me a second. I will tell you why I am taking this place. Yeah. Yeah, it's going. Actually, I'm using another phone, so the recording is very less here there. So I'm telling you honestly, those people who are recording the videos on the YouTube, it is very difficult task for them. Okay. Anyhow, we'll continue. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Huh? You don't have to pay any money for the subscription. Please, huh? Please. And like me, huh? If possible, give some comments. I feel very good. So see, now we will talk about the immediate cause of the Second World War. So as I said before, we have talked about the immediate cause of the First World War. What was the immediate cause? The murder of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand, the Crown Prince, the son of King of Austria. Now the Second World War, what happened? The Hitler, he invaded one country, Poland. In that country having one port called Danzig port. So he was invaded that country and the port. So what happened? This Poland having the alliances with the France, he's having the defense pact with the France. Anything happened to this country, then this country will support to him. So now, okay, he is the alliance of the allied power. Now we will talk about the powers here. Okay, in the first world we have to talk about the powers. We have read that for Germany having triple alliances which lead by Germany, and the Britain group having Britain group name was Triple Entity. But here the German group name was Axis power and England group was Allied power. In the Second World War, just remember, First World War, Second World War difference means this Axis power, Allied power, and Triple Alliance, Triple Entity. Just remember this. Don't do any mistake here. Okay, fine. Next, so what happened? So as he invaded the Poland, then suddenly France attack on Germany, and after that Germany also attack on France, and likewise all the groups all the countries, they will they fight with each other, and all this World War, Second World War become started. Then after that what happened? Then Hitler he attacked on Pearl Harbor, so USA also entered in the war, and then next later what happened? Then USA and France together they occupy the Germany. They defeat the Germany. They occupied East. Russia occupied the East Germany, which is called German Democratic Republic, and USA occupy FRG. This means Federal Republic Germany. So in this way, they occupy they capture all the German. Just I will check. One second, it is. Yeah, not finished. It is going, huh? So fine, fine. So now we will see. Okay, they occupied the Germany. So in this fashion, the Second World War stopped. Now what happened? After that, what happened with the Hitler and his gang? All the people did suicide because they don't want to be get arrested. So again, they will find humility. So they did suicide, and in this way, the Second World War, the end of the German and end of the Japan. What they did, they throw. Hi. Sorry for the inconvenience. So, as we are talking about the Second World War, how the Second World War stopped? One-sided they stopped, they captured the Germany. Other side, what they have done, they throw the bomb on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These are the cities of the Japan. What they did, they threw the atom bomb. USA throw the atom bomb on Germany, on Japan. Sorry, on the Japan, and their cities are Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It was a atom bomb. Okay, so what happened? After that, Japan surrendered themselves, and what they did, they have not done any damage to Japan. What they said, simply they said, either join the republic or democratic. That's all. So the agreement was done with the Japan. In this way, they finished the Second World War because they don't want to see another Third World War. That is the reason only they will not put any uh, compensation or them or any humiliating terms on them. We will discuss this topic continue on. Just give me a second. So we will go with the next slide, and thank you so much for being with me. So we will continue our topic. So what happened after that? Consequences of the World War. What happened after the World War? End of the colonial power. So earlier we saw that Britain alliances and Germany alliances, all those colonial power, those who go to other country and capture those country, all those colonial power was stopped. Either they adopted the democracy or they become a republic. And if you talk about the other countries like our India and other countries, China, Indonesia, Egypt, Vietnam. This country was under the colonial rule, and they also got the independence. Then, if you talk about the enormous human cost, what is the loss of the human loss with this World War? If we talk about, then almost 10 million people was killed during the First World War. We can see how much a big loss of the human life in the First World War. In the Second World War, if you could say, 20 to 25 million people died almost in the Second World War. So big loss of a human. And if you talk about our Indian soldier, our Indian soldier also participated. They went to fight against these evil forces, fascism and nazism. Always our country condemned this kind of evil forces, and always our country participated to fight against this evil power. So that time also our soldier went, salute to them. And in the First World, our 75,000 soldier goes to paradise who fight against these evil forces, these German alliances, fascism and nazism. In the Second World War, our 87,000 soldiers went to fight against the same German fascism and nazism. So just big salute for to them, to our soldiers. I'm proud of our soldier, our country India. And you see, and then it's next we will talk about what happened after this. Just give me a second. I will check whether this camera is stop or not. Thank God, it's still running. Huh? So now we will continue this topic. So what happened after this? A big famine took place in India. So in Bengal region, so there is a lack of food. We are not getting the food, shortage of food and everything. We are having a separate topic for this shortage. We will discuss later. But we also face lots of problems at the time of world wars. Next thing is democratic principle asserted. So the country who was participated in the world war, so what they did, they told those countries to adopt this democracy or republic, to become a republic. In that case, the Turkey and most of the countries become democratic. So change in balance power, we can see a little bit power was changed in the balance. If you could see the First World War, some countries have been captured by the Germany, so there is a slightly changes in the world map at the time of the First World War. Then after that, those countries they will take back by the Russia, by the France in the Second World War. So the map was get little bit change of these countries occupied by each other. So that slightly we can get a change in the map. Then next we are having the uh, okay, rights of women, right to vote, enfranchisement of women. So women also got the power to right to vote. Okay, earlier women used to get ignored, but what happened after they seeing the demonstration on the Russian, and they got revelation in the Russian, because of the women only 10,000 women was participated in that war, and how the women show that braveness, women is great. So they equally, they decided to give the equal rights to the women, and women was like same like a men. So they started to work in the company, in the hospital, in the bank, in the school. They get the equal opportunity like a men. So in this way, get women also get our status. And lastly, the new international organization. And after this, the new international organization was formed. United Nations of Organization, UNO, and WHO World Health Organization. So they just still these organizations are here, and they are making sure to not to take this kind of world war again in the future, because it is the cost of human life, money, and everything. So these are the things we have read in the world war. I hope you understand all these things. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. I will be here for your support. I will be glad to assist you. Thank you so much again for listening to me, and please take care of yourself and have a very great day. Bye, and Jai Hind.